What's going on, YouTube? Official Keith here, and today we're going to talk about our favorite tech of 2018. That's right, we're talking about the tech that got us through the entire year, or even half of the year, or in some cases, maybe even the last couple of days or weeks. And you heard that correctly. I did say our, which means this is collaboration time. So I'm going to let my friends let you know what their favorite tech was for 2018, and then I'll be right back.
Hey everyone, it's Tay with Spectechular Gadgets, and recently I was asked, hey Spec, what's your favorite tech of 2018? So, being the type of female that I am, I love cell phones. I'm heavy into cell phones. I have my cell phone with me 24/7. I'm always carrying around my cell phone. So, I have a few to choose from. So many great cell phones came out in 2018, and I have just a few in my arsenal. But if I had to just pick one, and the ones that you see right now, I'm gonna have to say hands down, it is the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. This is by far the best device, in my opinion, out. It has so many features that people say they're gimmicks because there's so many. But I feel that they're not gimmicks because I use plenty of them. So, next thing, the reason why most people get a Note device is for the S Pen. The S Pen is only getting better every year. And this thing, I mean, look what they just added, the Bluetooth picture taking. So you can't beat that. Plus, I love the fact I can put it away when I'm done, unlike the Huawei phone. The display is out of this world, gorgeous. That's why a lot of manufacturers use a Samsung display. They have the best display, and so I love looking at content on this device. Next up, I have so many ways to unlock the device. There's as many ways to unlock this device as there are work days in the week. Next up, it still has a headphone jack. I don't have to carry around a dongle that I'm probably gonna lose anyway. Next up, I love the fact that it is water resistant IP68 rating. That way I can get it wet. I can wash it with soap and water if need be. I don't have to worry about it. Next up, I love that it has wireless charging. It has not only wireless charging, but fast wireless charging. And when I don't have my wireless charger with me, I can go ahead and just plug it into the wall and it still charges fast. Next up, I like the fact that it's just an all-around gorgeous looking phone. It's gorgeous. It's just lovely to hold. It's gorgeous to look at. They made these phones so attractive looking, it's crazy. I mean, I think it's almost as attractive as me. Nah, not really, but it is an attractive phone. This, by far, is and will remain the #1 in my lineup of favorite phones. This Galaxy Note 9 is my favorite tech of 2018. What's yours?
What's up, everybody? This is your boy Toro, coming at you today on this collaboration video to tell you what my favorite tech of 2018 has been. Now, I haven't done very many videos this year, I know. I think I did a collaboration video with Keith on the Sonos speaker, then I did another video with the charger for the Switch. I don't remember. I may have done some more, I can't remember. But believe it or not, my favorite tech of the year is not a game, it's not a speaker. It might surprise you. So, what is my favorite tech from 2018? Believe it or not, it is the Gourmet 6.3 quart air fryer. First of all, I want to send a shout out to my homeboy DVZN. He's the one that put me onto these air fryer things. He's had one for a while. Kept talking about how delicious his food came out, how everything was half the calories and still had all the good taste. So I found this Gourmet on Black Friday. Thought, hey, let's go ahead and try it for that price. Why not? So the air fryer itself is actually very sleek and very sexy. It just happens to match all the stainless steel stuff in my kitchen already. The interface on it is very easy to use, very simple, very user-friendly. You just press that power button, get this display that comes up. You can manually adjust your time, how long you want it to cook right here. You got your temperature settings right here. And you also have the ability to select exactly what you might be cooking. So it's got presets for things like chicken, seafood, baking. It's got everything in here. It's fantastic. So in general, chicken takes about 20 minutes or so to cook in your air fryer. About halfway through, 10-15 minutes in, you want to go in, open it up, turn your chicken over so everything gets a nice even cook all the way around. When you do that, your chicken's going to come out perfectly golden brown and crispy deliciousness. nice and crunchy on the outside, moist and juicy on the inside. Now when you use this air fryer, you might have to change your recipes up just slightly. For example, I discovered that when I fry chicken or fish in this, just using flour as the batter doesn't really get a very good brown all the way around the chicken. So you want to use some kind of combination of flour and breadcrumbs with whatever seasoning you put in it. And cleanup is a snap. You just take the air fryer basket, press that button on the top to get that tray to fall in the sink, wash it, and voila, you're done. And you can cook almost anything in this air fryer. I've done fish, I've done chicken, I've done tater tots, I've done french fries. All of them come out so golden brown and crunchy. It's absolutely fantastic. And if you're somebody like me that loves fried food but wants to cut calories and watch his cholesterol wherever he can, air fryer is perfect for you. All your food comes out delicious, golden brown, crispy, and in my experience, has that same deep fried taste you're accustomed to in the first place. And if you're wondering how it tastes, well, someone seems to like it. And I like it a lot too. So that's been my favorite tech of 2018, the Gourmet 6.3 quart air fryer. Absolutely love it. It's been a game changer for me. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and cook some stuff right now. If you have an air fryer, or if you have that particular air fryer, any air fryer, and you want to tell me what your experience has been, let me know down in the comment section. I'll be checking that. So I'm going to pass this mic on to the next person. Let's see what their favorite tech of 2018 is.
What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector, and I am Gadget Beard. Big shout out to Keith for allowing me to be part of this great collaboration again for the best tech 2018. Now, my best gadget for 2018 has to be the lap dock from HP. Now, pair that with the Note 9, it pretty much transforms my Note 9 into a laptop by the way of DeX. Samsung should have came out with this accessory at the very beginning when they first introduced DeX. But I'm loving it right now. I get to do all kinds of sort of things with my phone that I used to not be able to do. Thanks for watching, guys. That was my best tech for the year of 2018. Big shout out again to Keith for allowing me to be part of this great collaboration. Please subscribe to Keith, myself, and everyone else that's part of this collaboration video. And like always, guys, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
Now, if you want to ask me hands down what my favorite thing that I dealt with in 2018, probably be right behind me. You can't even see it. It's not Fortnite, but it's my gaming PC with the RGB and all of that. But y'all know I'm into that audio. If you know anything about my channel, this is what I want to show y'all as one of my favorite things in 2018, the One Audio DJ Pro headphones. These things are a budget pair of headphones that go for like 30 to 40 bucks depending on where you're looking at it. Big sound, great bass, very clean. I was thoroughly surprised at just how clean the audio was. Usually when you get headphones of this caliber, you're not expecting a lot. I got the original pair with the black and the red. You get the red accents across the top. You get this super dope double-edged cable. Now when I say double-edged, that means it has a regular 3.5 millimeter jack. Then it has a 1/4 inch jack on the other side. So wherever you go, whatever you need, you got a one-stop solution with this cable. It's absolutely brilliant. I think all wired headphone makers should use a cable solution like this, but I'm thankful for the budget pair of One Audios that they brought it first. Now, what I also have on here is I have a pair of Brainwaves ear pads to take it to the next level. I already love the ear pads that was on here. I just got these nice red velvet ear pads to kick it up a notch. Salute to everybody else on this collab and the official one, Keith. I appreciate it. It's your kinfolk Dookie. Holla at your boy.
What's up, YouTube? Big shout out to the homie Keith for putting this whole collab together. As always, he's always official, and thanks for making me official. So it's your boy Alpha Rakama here with Rakama Tech Videos. So today I actually want to talk to y'all about these items in particular. These are the OnePlus Bullets wireless, and they come in this little fancy case right here. And honestly, these have not really gotten a lot of fanfare. I remember when they first came out, number one, I guess OnePlus could not get the distribution right, so they weren't available for months. So when they became available, the YouTubers got a hold of these and they kind of slammed them, except for like Flossie Carter. Shout out to homie Floss. He actually loved these, but to me, I don't think they're so bad. I think what people are looking for some killer sound, but you got to keep in mind these are only $72. So with that price tag, of course they had to cut a few corners, but I'm gonna say overall the design is pretty good. They fit really good in the ears, so when you put them in, like, you can listen to them for hours and not have to worry about any strain on your ears and things like that. Also, one key feature is that once they're magnetized, so honestly, once you have these things sitting like this, when you have them in this closed position, they shut off. So functionality is really key for me for these, and this is why I think these are a winner. While they don't sound the best, the sound is actually good enough. Honestly, it is kind of, the bass could be better, but the mids are there, the highs are there, and honestly, for the price, I'm not complaining about them. I don't expect the world. These are 72 bucks. They're really portable, and what I like about these things is you can kind of beat them up a little bit. These are the ones that you want to take to the gym. These are the ones that you want to take with you anywhere. They come with the little red pouch. You can just stick them in the pouch, even though I will say that pouch is not the best design pouch, if you want to say it, because it has like a little magnetized lip on it, and you kind of have to really cram these up in there. But with this, I really like the size of the design, and also you can charge these with USB-C. So that is a win on all grounds. So I really like these. They also have quick charge as well. You can get for about 10 minutes of charging, it'll last you about 5 hours of playtime, and so that's amazing. So it takes about 24 or 25 minutes to charge it up full. These are also sweat and water resistant. They do not actually have an official IP rating, but I'm gonna say these are still a win. So you don't, but ultimately, just with like any of your electronic devices, you don't want to take these things and just throw them out in a pool of water. But either way, these are definitely the ones that I can hang with these, because you can just beat them up and just treat them how you want to, and they're good because they're built really well. I think the sound is good enough, and honestly, for the price, like I said, I'm not complaining at all. So once again, thanks to homie Keith for this collab, and I'm gonna let him take it from here. Peace.
Alright, so my favorite tech for 2018 is my portable battery charger. This one in particular. This one is the Pocket Juice 7800 milliamp hour portable battery charger. It has dual outputs, as you can see there, and this thing has just been a lifesaver. Like, I've been in situations where I needed that last minute charge, whether it be my phone. There's even been some times where I didn't have any battery with my camera, and this came through like a champ, because I have a battery adapter that goes into my camera. And on a side note, if you have a DSLR of any type, please try to search for a battery adapter, because that thing, it can save you in a super jam. But I have a battery adapter, and with that battery adapter, I can plug into both of these USB ports, and then plug in the battery adapter, or not plug in, but insert the battery adapter into the battery bay of my camera, and then I'm going to be good for a good long while. It has just one button, as you can see there, and then you can press and hold the button to turn it off. So that's how you turn it on and off. But yeah, man, this 2018, there's been a lot of tech that's out, but 2018, the battery chargers are definitely, the portable battery chargers are definitely my go-to tech for 2018. As always, thanks for taking some time out to watch my videos. And I would also say thanks for taking some time out to watch any of my videos this year, as I have experienced some growth on this channel, so I'm very appreciative of that. Also, just wanted to let you know that the watch face videos will continue. They're not stopping. Hopefully we'll get in a better frequency in 2019 with the watch face videos, but we're going to do other tech videos as well. One of the pieces of tech that's going to be featured as one of the early videos is going to be this guy right here. This is the Cove wireless Bluetooth speaker. This thing sounds amazing. I first saw this speaker, I believe it was on Jay Will's channel, but it was a different company that branded the speaker. I think this speaker is the same as Jay Will's. I can't remember that video that he did, but the speaker to me looks exactly the same other than the branding. But this company is called Cove, so you'll definitely want to be on the lookout for that one. And then also we're going to do some tech on lenses. In particular, tech on lenses, that didn't even make sense, I'm sorry. We're going to do some videos on lenses, in particular this one that I picked up here. This one is the, oh, it's kind of bright, but this one is the 18 to 135 millimeter lens. It's automatic focus, stabilization, of course it goes out of focus when I say that, stabilization, all the bells and whistles that you need. This is a really nice lens, but we'll talk about that sometime next year. But as always, again, I really appreciate you watching my videos. If you like any of the videos, please subscribe to the channel. Like I said, 2019 is going to be bigger and better. You are officially official for 2018. We'll see you in 2019. I hope you have a good year and Happy New Year.